Welcome guys to episode 2. I'm back here with my lovely friend from episode 1. So, next question for you.
Yes, sir.
Why do you believe sexual orientation is such a taboo topic in Jamaica? Why girls shy away from admitting they give head? And why some of them just don't want to give it? Honestly, just let's have a discussion.
Why girls shy away from giving it?
Yeah. Do you so wait, we wanna know something. Do you like when girls give head?
Yeah. I'm not
You
gonna
not
lie.
like.
Yeah, I like when girl give me head. Yeah.
Oh. And you do you reciprocate the same energy?
No,
No,
never.
never.
First time I get head, I was.
You know, call it age. What with the girl?
On the age, I just wear the place. It was
you
at
know,
church.
I'm
It was
going to
at
school,
church.
so
It
you
was
can't
at
say school.
church.
Oh, that's church. Mine.
Yeah, you know.
Mine. I see my bud weed outside the church.
Well, one day, basically, me I talked to the bee and she make me know say she want do something. And
Scratch her voice box.
I'm come forward. Forward. I go church meeting. It was a night meeting, and she called me out. And yeah, it was
Church, I don't know. It just
yeah,
happened.
it was happened.
Happened.
And from then, I say, yo, you know, say me I want that thing there on a regular basis.
Oh, that's where you fell in love.
Yeah, you know it go, but alright, may I tell you the truth. May I tell you why some girls don't want to give head, you see me? Because of some waste man. Some youth with waste man
mentalities. And what are these waste man mentalities?
A girl give me head, him tell the whole world. One time I was I don't think I say where I was, but I was working, right?
Working. Oh, at a place?
At a place.
At a pool?
No.
No.
Yeah, I was working at a place.
Okay, we're working at a
can't
place.
state the place.
You can't even tell the school where those other people come from.
Can't even talk about that.
Talk.
Alright, we can't
Yo,
say
big up that girl there. Big up yourself. Okay.
Andres got them wicked.
I know, man.
Yeah, man. But as me say, yo, it's like say, yo, the girl that looked me from the first day at training, right? For the work, for the job, and I said, no, I'm good.
You're good.
Yeah, and then
lying,
she take my number. I'm tell her, I'm not even give this girl my number. My friend slide her phone, give me a number. Put in my number. I put in the number, and she start text me and thing. And while she text me, she said one day she want me stay after and do that thing there. I'm say, no, I'm good. Because I tell her, I cannot have sex with a girl that a girl do that if I'm not sexually attracted to her. Appearance.
So she did ugly.
To
no,
me,
to you.
Yeah, you know that.
Yo, I know you're a big man because I'm have the same thing. Like I say, not girls are not ugly, no, brother.
Yeah,
the thing is, it's just
they're
not
attracted to me.
You
know,
although
girl,
you
they're not attracted to me.
You know. Yo, what is really attraction though, dog?
Yo, what is?
Yo, that's a big man level, dog. You know, more of a mindset, so I'm say, you know. Likes when a girl thick and whatever that, but recently a slim girl, you know, be a manga girl actually, not slim, manga. I say manga, you know, like, you know when people say slim, them think a slim thick. But you understand what I mean? Slim though.
Extreme manga girl, I could look for myself and say, extreme manga girl. But look
at
me,
extreme manga. I think her body can hold a man.
Extreme and slim, just like she. When we are going to start fire, I two stick.
You two stick, yes, true. Nah, but big man though. Yeah, dog. So back to your story now, you say.
Well, the guy, alright, so she couldn't get me, try to look somebody else, couldn't get him. And me, while she trying to look that youth there, she trying to make me jealous by looking that youth there. So she still didn't look me too.
Yeah.
And then she finally get a youth now. And you should do, while we were in a meeting, she saw the youth wood.
In that meeting?
No, she gave the youth head. Didn't want to say it, but she gave the youth head. Like.
I know, man, I have enough subscribers.
You
now get monetized.
Yeah, man, you see me? She gave the youth head. Like.
She gave him head, yeah?
Yeah, we on a corner while we don't meet the car. Them never in a meeting. Okay. And then as the youth get heads up.
So big up yourself, youth, you're a killer.
My friend come tell me, I tell one next youth and just go around and I tell. I mean, I said, John, no. If she even know what she do to herself. And beyond.
I really think she not care.
Yeah, man, all and beyond. The supervisor find out. We went into a big meeting. While in the big meeting, you know what? Is that the supervisor? I say, yo, what really man? And when we talk about really, me and they do laugh. And my friend look at me and says, why you laughing? Why you laughing? And me I say, because it's funny. It's funny what you always say.
Yeah, but most of them girls set up themselves them way there, you know?
Them set up themselves?
No, like certain scenario, you know, say if you don't trust the boy, do certain things, but exactly. I mean, you know, like for some girls who them find it hard, you know yourself, you girl, find it hard and you have to trust the youth, you know yourself. Forgive me, I mean, why? I mean, why?
But,
why?
I mean, Jamaica right now.
And you have some other girls where them just do it freely, and have some girl where just want you build a trust. So it's all, them just set up themselves.
Yeah, but right now, yeah, I mean, Jamaica set away, so yo.
No, 2020.
Everybody yeah, 2020. Everybody have come.
Rate for that, you know.
Rate, you know, if the girl, because one time I did that for text a girl for a good while for find out she do that thing there. But no, inbox.
Yo, no, you leave off to do that now. Just put up a status and like
yes, sir. And my friend jump in the inbox. Yeah, and the conversation start from this. So.
Yo, man, I did that. Now, I put up a status. I think something about egg with syrup or something like that, dog. Girl reply and tell me, say, it tastes better with tin milk. I just put LOL. Dog, one time, I couldn't do that in
one time I was at school and a youth I tell me, say, girl came head with ice cream. So I said, oh my God.
I hear that
you
before.
never think
about that. No, I never think about that. Dry ice.
I know, but I try
ice
ice
cream.
cream.
Yeah, I hear my dog. I'm a see on Twitter, dog. So his butt dick with the ice or something like that. Thank me later. It's tough, dog.
You should have said that. Why panda you?
No. You said that to me, why not? But you get on me and say that.
What do you say?
You know, one chat. What was me and say that?
Yeah, brother. And next thing too. You see why some girl I don't get it. That's the only reason I can't find a girl don't want to get a youth head. Him chat too much. You see me? I mean, just chat, date him morning, something like
as
a youth, I tell you right now, as a youth, take it from, listen from me, you see me?
No, I know you will take it from me.
Yeah, not take none from no man, you see me? Listen it from me, all in one, you see me?
And every man have to know the code.
Yeah, and every man have to know. So.
You coffee, big up yourself now, you teach me that, you know. What's me saying now, dog? Well, I don't know. And him want to your other friend them.
Wait, oh them still? Alright, me I tell you the truth. Alright. You see when certain things happen to you, you know want to keep it to yourself. I understand that. Yeah, but you're supposed to have like a small circle, you can't say. Right, you know this.
Yeah, I know that. As man dog, yo, what for our circle, you know that. Big man left dog cause it's not a thing where we want to circulate the girl, you know, dog.
Yes, sir.
You know, or you don't deal with that, like, alright, some woman I give me a bun, right? Man, you see her as a virgin and say, yo, dog, you know, a girl in the right, you know, something,
right.
brother. You get me? Cause we are going to commute, dog. Big man live dog, we know every girl have a group with a bag of girl and them talk about
it. Yeah, for real. Them sit down and them chat, man, and say, no, that you tell. Right,
I'm telling you, see when she come in and dog, all of them know it.
Them are regular make she come, but yeah.
Something like that, stop hype up yourself for the thing that stop. What was I say though? I think, and it's that thing, so I also have a next problem with you guys exposing them. Why?
That is the next thing.
One can just like, you know, keep the video them to themselves.
Hear me I say, you see, them you not understand, say. Them are expose a girl. We're not going to view them as thugs or we're not going to view them as them and they are top striker.
No,
we're going to view them as waste man because they might make it harder for another man get it from marriage. You see me?
I'm not telling me that dog, you break down the girl, you know?
Yes, brother.
Confidence and trust levels and whatever that. Big man, imagine that. Just imagine a girl open her selfie and she let down her guards and she let you in and you can do anything you please.
And And you go to, you get a one video or you
so entrust you for recorder, not big man, we saying recorder, sexy. No. You see like when you watch about yourself and they text them now. Yo dog, sometimes dog you just watch yourself and you say, yo, I'm star poor, you know.
Hey, one time I make a wicked piece of video there. I mean I said, blood clean as somebody else.
And then you have some moments where you say to yourself, yo, I'm gonna get that down here.
I tell you for real, man.
One time, but then I'm just like, go in the dog, and I say, yeah. You know, like, you know, dog, yo, I'm not learn from me, dog, but you know, when you do it, dog, and you have like a voice in your head, a motivator. Yeah, come on, boy. Yeah, but I'm not learn from you.
I tell you, man, one time still, me and I be proud of me, hurt in my yard, is me, and then I say, oh, touch her toe. I say when that be there touch her toe, I say you jump, so I say,
yo, mama see it.
What? This is my friend jump up, I say, come back down, man, what you do? I dig it out in them and I say, yo, bro. Out me and say, them exposing things still enough to go on that. Some, as I say, man, for all them, man.
And then sometimes the man them feel them a killer and them really are not killer in the dog because I just choose to like you. The two feel like 6 and 7.
I really talk. Real big man talk. Well, me not tell no man all that, but as me I say still.
I say that again in the dog, nobody will say, oh, that's you with on the podcast. Nah. See you happy you boys that. Nobody now say that.
My advice,
so no girl now say that. So you're good.
As me I say still. But
once you know you have more than 3x can confirm any.
Yeah, what me I say still. I say once a girl like a man, it's like say you should get a different feeling from her. I know some.
You make the sex nice.
Yeah, cause I know some girl. She one time I text her and she tell me say first time she lose her virginity, it did feel, you know, like say, like she just say it feel magical, you see me? You don't know what she get that, why she use that word there, but I'm not some idiot me talk to, but anyways, you see it? And then she say, yeah, and then when she sit down and we are met, she said at the moment because she like the youth, it did feel how you did, but when she mends back and think about the look out 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I don't know what kind of man go to work and give a girl 10 minutes out
of normal people. Oh, you just do 10 minutes and cut down completely. Cut. You probably come from Portmore.
Must fit at them gone with all them jeans, man. You can't perform. But I say, yo, what kind of man give a girl 10 minutes? Right, when girl come my yard early in the morning, brother, them on the phone, them knee and knock some evening time, man.
That was alright, you know, dog. Nobody now judge you, you know. As I said, we're not stallion in the brother.
No, me not care no one.
I'm not running in the marathon. I'm not athlete.
Me tell you the truth, me talk truth right now.
Dog.
I never yet.
Right now, sex is 100 meter race now.
Right now,
me try to go sub 9 in the
right now, me tell you say yo, girls are major link because I stay with my parents.
Jesus.
Them go work and them come in early morning. And me tell me I work it early morning till evening non-stop.
Yo, I'm drift from the topic. But I'm gonna go back to the topic. I'm really want to know this. So you're saying, sir, she came from in the morning, and you started from in the morning.
In the morning.
Yo, give me a time interval, like from 8 to 5, 8 to 4?
From what? 6.
6 to 6?
Girl, come on me at some about 5 o'clock.
At 5 o'clock in the day? Oh, okay. Now, you're my belly there. Big up yourself. Yeah, but as we are saying now, so, if I'm getting this clear, 12 hours. 6 to 6. 12 hours. May I get this clear? No, I'm trying to process this, you know. So, without breakfast. Oh, you eat breakfast?
Yeah, we get.
So, you eat breakfast early. Yeah, you know.
I'm gonna pick her up and you don't know that.
If you pick her up and 6 to 6, you just Yeah. So, more real question. At what point did you wake up from this dream?
You I'm not hype up myself because I rate it, you know, your voice. No, I tell you the truth. When I met the first time.
Ladies, that's it, you know.
First time.
My man, you run from 6 to 6.
Hey, no, my parents come home like, my grandmother come home like, say, about 4 or 5 o'clock. Is me, so, and me have to make sure, say, she reach home, so probably by 3 o'clock she have to left me yard.
So, now 6 to 6.
She
6
have
to
to
3.
get up left me yard.
6 to 3.
Yeah,
so, take out 3 hours after, but they still up. So, how you drink now?
Yeah, you know what's it? I just say, yo, island on the back. Me use up that, me G. Use up that. Me one time me and this man I walk around and a dog say, yo, remember the day he must say some body work there in the shop, man, the cook shop, man. I must say, when I need to eat up on the doctor fish, I don't steam this French fish,
yo. The man, I remember that day that the man said, yo, look at you, you know, you have to eat after fish, make your body turn up in the same thing.
Why when I come to man and say them thing there, man, weird, me G.
And even fish fry them up over there.
The man them a jerk chicken over there, man.
The man come to look at you, dog. But dog, I don't know what, dog. Yo, anybody listening to this, you want to comment, dog. Comment and tell me how long I'm gonna cause. No, you're a porn star. It's like a movie.
Remember with them on IG and you say.
So do you have that girl to verify? Cause honestly this is if you want to hear the girl verification, comment below.
Me have that girl.
That's to verify.
Yes.
And where she go at the moment?
Huh?
Where she go at the moment?
Like school?
Yes, yeah. She goes to UTech. Okay, so she goes to anybody listen this from UTech? I believe it's a Indian girl. What's me saying now? Okay, so anybody going to UTech, avoid Indian girls, guys. If this is a said girl, because we know you can't pass 3 hours or 2 hours. So avoid girls from UTech. Go for the U girls, go for the pelicans.
Them the wild. Them pelican they fly over sea, me G. Me don't know what them pelican they have in them.
Oh dear.
Them pelican they, I know a wild bird, pigeon them. Jankro.
No. No, not true. One of them they are dirty, you know.
No.
The one thing me tell you, you know, dog. When you come to the shop where a girl, you know, dig up your file, you know, dog. A girl can't dig up my file, you know.
Hey, yo, make sure you take out mine.
Take up too.
Yeah, but yeah, man. We are straight from where they are talking. We don't remember who we are.
Why are you giving me this a taboo topic, I think, or something like that?
I mean, giving it is no longer a taboo topic.
So you're open to give your spouse?
No. When it comes to like girls, I give head.
So isn't that like sexist because that's one-sided?
I mean, we have to understand. Back in the Bible, the man run thing, you know. And it's supposed to follow through the same way.
What do you mean, dog? So you don't like when ladies actually, you know, independent and doing things on their own. You don't like when females are in powerful positions? What kind of man you be that?
Well, hear me I say.
And your granny raise you?
Hear me I say. I don't have a problem with that. I just not give a girl no head.
No, we never say that now.
You see me? And me know if a man want to go bug out or go out and do that, that's a film business. You see me? That is film business. I do not care what a man does in his bedroom. Just keep that in your bedroom. You see me? What do you mean hear a story?
Some of them do it for them couch.
What do you mean hear? What do you mean hear a story? I
did them car.
We're going to tell that same story right now. I think what do you mean hear a story about that Dan and him whoever in him gang, I guess. And you what happened now? It's like say Dan they upon the ends and one girl come on the end. A girl
Girl, same thing. They only just not like when you call them B. But I like that I call them anything.
Forward on the ends and my friend going on not my friend.
And then you're a friend,
not my friend.
No, my friend them.
No, my friend them do that. Them say them are done. Anyways, they going on the car and my friends start eat the girl. So, they done all over there, you know. I said, what going on? Because we not hear no clapping. So them look through window now. And by the time I look at that, them see my God. They done just drive off left him. Matter of fact, take him out of the car, drive off left him. You see me? And then the next day, you know what happened? The dog got tell me, say, yo, the dog, everybody there on the ends are drink liquor. And I look at you forward from the ends and beg the same you was suck vagina or whatever you eat. You see me? So my liquor. Dog, he take up the liquor and give it to you with everybody that they laugh and that's the blood clean that bug out now. That, I don't know, I not never yet reach me.
I never reach it.
As me hear people say, what you don't know, well, do not hurt you.
I same thing like when we say your woman, you get one for 3 years.
me not get one. Me
No,
never hear nobody come say, no girl come tell me say me I get one.
oh, so you just forget about it.
Me don't know about no one, me never yet get one.
Well, that's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed this podcast. That's it. You want to say anything else?
No, keep safe during the corona, you know.
You want me to tag you in this video as well?
Yeah, do not tag me.
Okay, I must not tag you.
Yeah, I do not, take out my name.
Take out the name
Yeah,
and any girl you related to your school.
Yeah.
And